In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in your car. This is the engine air filter and is different from the cabin air filter where it purifies the air that enters the cabin of the car. So this is going to help you save a lot of fuel as the cleaner air is going to enter your engine. So stay tuned as we're going to do this process. It's quite easy and I'm sure that you can do it by yourself after you watch this video. In order to be able to change the air filter, you need to first open up the hood. So in this car, it is located over here. We just pull the tab and we go to the engine department. Then you need to put your hand under the bonnet, start looking for the small latch that is here, put it up and then lift up the bonnet. And then you have access to your engine bay. Now my engine is quite dirty since I've been driving on a bad weather in a motorway, but we are not concerned so much about the cleanliness of the engine. It could be on another video. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see me cleaning the engine. For now, if we look at the engine, this is a pretty similar engine to all the other Toyota cars, but more or less, it's got the same compartments as any other combustion engine. Here we got the battery, we got the main engine, we got the fuse box on the corner, and in here, with the big hose on the side, we got the air filter compartment. So I've geared up to a pair of gloves to make things slightly cleaner. To take out the air filter, we have to open the housing over here. In here we got two little taps. It's really easy to take them out. Just pull them on the side, and then the other one is right over here. So we push that one on the other side, and the whole housing is now loose. Now, to take this one out, it would be more convenient to slowly untap these wires. And now that this one is out, I can actually lift this one up. And as you can see, the previous owner didn't take care of this car properly. There is some loose paper in here, which I don't know why it has been sitting over there or for how many years. This is the old air filter. This one has got so much debris left in there. It has seen its better days. So we're going to take this one out and replace it with a new one. Before you go ahead and throw out the old air filter, let's open the new one and do the just comparison, side-by-side comparison. See if they're matching. As you can see, it's very similar. Only the sides on this one is slightly different. It's got the silicone siding, but it's going to do the same thing. And do not worry so much about it as how you're going to fit this one, because as you can see, the side of it is quite in a different shape. So there's no way that you're going to be able to put it upside down. All right, so now that we're sure that we got the right air filter, we're just going to lift up the housing, place the air filter underneath, and once it's in the right position, if you wiggle it, it's just going to stay there in good. Now we're just going to carefully place it back in there. There are little taps at the back that you got to aim for them and put them in the right position. And the taps are right here, one in the corner over here. So if I lift it up, push it slightly in, and there is one on the other side, which is quite a dead spot for filming. Once it's there and you shake it, it's just going to be there for good. Now that this part is done, we got to go ahead and carefully first do this one and then the other one. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the air filter in your own car. Another thing that you might be concerned is about this little chip over here. If you are familiar with the combustion engines, this is how it's going to work. So we start by undoing these two screws that we have over here. And then carefully pull it out. And that is your air quality sensor that comes out from here. You can just blow it really nice and then put it back in there. And then that's good to go back in there. And then as simple as that, we're just going to put the screws back there. And there you have it. By doing that, you have changed your air filter, you have checked your air sensor, and now it's got to be able to breathe clean air into the engine for the next year before you're going to go ahead and do the same process again. I hope this has been informative for you. Follow the other services that I do on this car. such as the oil change, oil filter change, the spark plug change, and so many more. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, it would be a good time to hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you will receive all the notification about the services that I do on my car. And I really appreciate it if you drop some comments down below for me and let me know what other services you might be keen to understand and do by yourself on the car. Thank you very much for watching.